Welcome to Click My Project. The title of the project is An Integrated Semantic Web Service Discovery and Composition Framework. The abstract of the project is we present a theoretical analysis of graph-based service composition in terms of its dependency with service discovery. Derived by this analysis, we define a composition framework by means of integration with fine-grained I/O service discovery that enables the generation of graph-based composition, which contains the set of services that are semantically relevant for input-output requests. The proposed framework also includes an optimal composition service algorithm to extract the best composition from the graph, minimizing the length and the number of services and different graph optimizations to improve the scalability of the system. A practical implementations used for empirical analysis of also provided this analysis proves the scalability and flexibility of our proposal and provide the insights on how integrated composition systems can be designed in order to achieve the good performance in real scenarios for web. Flow of the project is start the process and user request to composition, then composition web service is generated. Composition web service is generated in two steps. First step is concept matching, second step is service discovery, then optimal web service is generated. We find the optimal web services and also find the optimal solutions, then optimal solutions search. We finally we find the optimal solution. Next we go to the demo of this project. Let's start the NetBeans and go to your project, then run homepage.java. Click the title of the project, then you see the login page. They give the details properly. Then click the enter button. So login successful, and go to the service registration page. Give the details properly. Then click the registration button. So register successfully. Then you see the user registration information. So verify your book registration. It's correct. Then submit button. Then get the information from the server. Then go to the next process. It's input for composition request. So book informations and the book catalog, authentication web service and the payment web service. Then also get the location web service. So go to the next process. It's also concept matchmaking process. Get the information from the server, then matchmaking button, click. So 4 inputs are matched for this web service. Then click the OK button. Next go to the next process. Then it is optimal composition for this first inputs, book catalogs and also get authentication web service, payment web service. The location web service is not required for this optimal compositions. Then go to the next process. Search the information, search the optimal composition frameworks. They get the informations, then search the optimal composition. Search completed. Find 3 optimal solutions for this web service. So we finally get the 3 optimal web solution for this web service. Get optimal solutions. Also, we get the optimal solution for price, booking numbers, and payment. We go to the next process. This process is characteristics of web service. So get the characteristics of this web service. So this characteristics of book service. Then go to the next process. It is the final evaluation of this web service project. Click the result button. So you see the result of this evaluation web service. Thank you.